Hello, this is Dr. Eric Lund, your Roseville neck and back pain relief chiropractor. A common cause of low back pain, sacroiliac joint problems, also referred to as the SI joint. So what is the sacroiliac joint? It's a stress relieving joint and it's the base of your spine. So here's what the SI joint looks at. So if we're looking at the pelvis from behind, when you go back and you feel kind of those two bigger bumps of your pelvis, if you slide inside on each side, that's the right SI joint and then the left sacroiliac joint, okay? And so what are some key signs that you'd have an SI joint problem or the pain that you're experiencing in your lower back or pelvis is coming from the sacroiliac joint? So number one, it's generally going to be one-sided pain. It's very uncommon for the SI joint or both SI joints to be painful at the same time. So one-sided pain. The second thing is you're going to have point tenderness on that SI joint. So if we're here and we slide inside and we push on that, so let's say the right side is painful and we go on this right SI joint and we palpate or push on it, it's going to have tenderness to it. The third factor would be pain below the belt line. So with SI joint pain, it's going to be that one side, it's going to be point tender, and then it's going to be distinctly below the belt line. Number four would be pain getting up from a chair, so going from sitting to standing is generally painful when the sacroiliac joint is dysfunctional or problematic. And then sometimes you'll have groin pain or pain that travels kind of around the side of your hip to the front of your hip with sacroiliac joint dysfunction. And when it's very severe, this can cause a person to kind of walk with a limp. And now SI joint problems, they can commonly happen like if you walk off a curb and you're not expecting it, or you're walking on uneven ground and you're not expecting it, or sometimes people can fall on one side of their buttocks and that will trigger SI joint problems. So if you have a combination of these signs, the SI joint is likely the cause of your pain. And if you want your pain to be treated today, call me at 651-779-5998. I provide same-day appointments and same-day treatment Monday through Thursday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. My goal is to reduce your pain today and get you out of pain in the fewest treatments possible. So visit my online information center for great information on neck and back pain relief at drericlundonline.com. That's drericlundonline.com. Thanks for watching. This is Dr. Eric Lund, your Roseville neck and back pain relief chiropractor.